What is up, guys? Zanif Tech is here, and yes, I got my hands on the new iPhone XS Max. Yes, tennis match. I know it's not funny no more. But yeah, this is the iPhone XS Max in 64 gigs and the space gray color variant. Keep in mind, this is my first time that I've been doing an unboxing video of any type of product, so please bear with me, and I hope this process gets a little bit easier with future unboxings. Here's the glorious box that the iPhone comes in. It looks pretty cool, especially with that bubble wallpaper that the iPhones have, and they are exclusive to these new iPhones, and each one has a different color. The box is pretty much the exact same as it is every year. You take the little pull tab, a lot of enjoyment in there, and then you open up the box. Traditional iPhone box, you open it from the top, nothing very special. But you know, the actual process of opening the box is where the fun comes in place. As you can see, that vacuum seal is the way to go. Here you have your get started guides, simple stuff. You actually have the iPhone XS Max right here. Pretty interesting phone. This big size is a big change from the iPhone XS or iPhone X. But yeah, this is pretty cool. It comes with the regular AirPods, but there's a bit of a problem. They don't come with the adapter. How could Apple even do that? Like, are you serious? A $9 adapter? But it's okay, no one uses it anymore because, you know, we have AirPods and wireless Bluetooth headphones, so it's not a must anymore. Here is the get started guide that everyone definitely looks at. I'm just kidding, no they don't. And there's something interesting inside the packaging this time. It comes with this nice SIM eject tool, which usually used to come only on the unlocked iPhones if you bought them from Apple or your carrier. Actually, no, the carrier ones did not, because you would have to get a SIM card in there from the actual carrier. So yeah, only the unlocked iPhones would have that SIM card tray eject tool. The inside of the manual is pretty interesting because it mentions AirPower, and AirPower still does not exist because of this little block that we have right in front of me and the USB cable. Yes, it's not fast charging like everyone was expecting, because that's actually going to come to the iPads probably next month in the announcement if we do get one. But they didn't include it in the box, and it's kind of a bummer you don't have fast charging on this new iPhone. Here are the actual AirPods or EarPods, and you can see that they don't come with the little adapter that they did on the previous iPhones since they got rid of the headphone jack. So spend that extra $9. This is the most funnest part of the entire unboxing. When you're taking off these protectors on the front and the back glass. The noise that it makes is so satisfying, and you just love buying a brand new iPhone just for this reason. That pause was intentional, so you can just hear it. Here's me first time booting up this iPhone XS Max, and to be honest, the blacks on this look amazing because of the OLED panel, and it looks really nice on this big phone. You're finally gonna be able to watch YouTube videos or Netflix or whatever you did on the 8 Plus, but this time on an even bigger screen, and it's a great advantage, especially for people that want that big screen so they have more screen real estate. I really like how everything flows with the design, and the space gray color with the black screen matches the best. I previously had a stainless steel silver, but I don't regret getting a black at all. When you first unlock the phone, it's the exact same process as before. There's really no more differences in this phone than any other previous iPhone. The only design change on the actual iPhone XS Max is the fact that they added 2 new antenna bands, one on the top and one on the bottom, and they removed a couple of the speaker holes on the bottom, so it's not symmetric anymore. Here you can see the iPhone XS Max compared to my silver iPhone X, and the design is identical. There's really not that big of a change besides that big screen real estate and the internals of the device. If you're upgrading from the 10, you will notice that the screen is a lot bigger, of course, and that will be the biggest change for you. If you're coming somewhere from an iPhone 8 Plus or any other previous generations, the cameras and the Face ID will be your biggest change. Thanks for watching my first unboxing on this channel of the iPhone XS Max, and I really hope you guys liked the way I did this unboxing. If you did, give me a thumbs up and stay subscribed to the channel for more future videos. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Zanif Tech is out.